How to redeem free bet offers on 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and make sure you are logged into your account. If you haven't registered it, sign up and complete your profile with the required details. This helps in receiving available promotional offers linked to your account. Next, go to the menu and tap on Order tab. From here, select the promo option. Here you will see available bonuses and free bet offers. Look for the specific free bet promotion and check its requirement. Some offers may need you to place a minimum deposit or complete certain tasks like placing a bet on selected event. If the offer requires a deposit, go ahead and add funds to your account using your preferred payment method. Then, follow the instructions given in the offer. Sometimes you may need to place a bet with your own money first before the free bet gets activated. After completing the requirements, the free bet will be automatically added to your account. To use it, select an event or match that qualifies under the offer terms. On the bet slip, you will see an option to apply the free bet instead of using your balance. Just select it, confirm your bet, and you are done. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem free bet offers on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.